Hello everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review iPhone 17 after 2 weeks. First of all, talk about the box content. We get our iPhone 17, one USB Type-C cable and one paper, and this is black color. Design wise, iPhone 17 look like iPhone 16. So this year's Apple do not change the design. The smartphone come with ceramic seal 2 in the front and the back panel is glass, but this is matte finish and the phone comes with aluminum frame. So overall the smartphone design and build quality is so good. This year's iPhone 17 comes with some changes in the display. The phone comes with 6.3-inch Super Retina HDR OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 support, and the phone peak brightness is 3000 nits, and the smartphone resolution is 1206 into 2622 pixel, and the panel is 90.1 is into body ratio. And security wise, the phone comes with Face ID. The smartphone comes with Apple A19 chipset with 3nm processor with 8GB RAM, and the phone comes with 256GB and 512GB storage. Software wise, the phone running latest iOS 26. In the camera department, this year some changes. The phone comes with dual camera setup again with 48MP main sensor and new 48MP ultra wide and new 18MP selfie camera. The smartphone you can record maximum 4K 60fps video, and you also record 4K 30fps cinematic video. And very soon this smartphone long time camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And the smartphone powered by 3692 mAh battery. And this is our short unboxing and review iPhone 17, and full review coming our channel very soon, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's all about today video, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.